Every time I solve a cube, I have to put a warhead in my mouth, and I'm treating this as a rally type solve. So in the end, you guys will be able to see my final time. Ready? Oh boy. Oh, that's so gross. I do not do sour things. Oh, this is awful. Normally I can barely eat one, let alone this many. Oh, this is disgusting. That was absolutely disgusting. I'm gonna be honest with you, I never want to do anything like that ever again. But hey, the time was not bad, so I mean, I guess I'll take it, but I'm gonna show that all of these are in my mouth. When you're dying of sourness, you'd be surprised how messed up you can really get. And if you want to do this challenge yourself, feel free to do so. Just tag me in it. I want to see you guys' reactions. I thought I was gonna throw up, and I even got a bucket just in case, because I am not good at sour things. And if you have any challenge ideas, feel free to comment those down below. I'll see what I can do to make those happen. If you need to stock up on any winter or Christmas stuff, go check out my merch store. I sell lots of hoodies and warm things for the winter time. And if you're interested in getting Christmas presents for your kids in advance, definitely go check that out. I have some good stuff, some stuff that they'll really enjoy. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Laters.